Hi, John Caverman here with padprinters.com. We're going to talk about the two-color accessories for the Micro 90 for the cliche support. So this is a two-color cliche support for the Micro 90, and what you have are, this is called a integrated non-magnetic cliche holder. They say the reason it's called integrated is because it is the top half of a dovetail assembly, which operates like this. The bottom half gives you X, Y, and rotational adjustment of each of the two plates. So you have two cliche holders, integrated non-magnetic cliche holder. You'll see there's magnets in the corners to help hold the cliche down. They're outside of the ink cups doctoring area. And then you have two pins right here. There's a round pin and an elongated pin that correspond to the round and elongated holes in the plate. The easiest way to put these on is, first make sure your cliche and your cliche holder are completely clean and free of debris. Any kind of dried ink, pieces of tape, even something as small as an eyelash can cause a problem once you put these two things together and start operating the machine. I'll explain why that is more in detail later. So the easiest way to put on a new photopolymer plate or thin steel plate is line up the round hole first and then rotate it over so that you're aligned with the elongated pin. Then, once we put our ink cup and stuff in here, and I'll show this again later when we set up the machine, this would slide on. The camera person is in the operator's perspective. It would slide on like this, and then you would use a 5mm wrench here, where there's a picture of a lock on the front of the cliche support, and you would turn this clockwise to lock the cliche so that it can't move on the dovetail. That's how the cliches go on to a two-color support for the Micro 90.